If you're over 60, before you take your next walk, I want you to hear something important. We all know that walking helps your health. It's great for your heart, your circulation, and your lungs. But scientists have also discovered something surprising. Walking mostly trains the big muscles on the front of your legs. And honestly, those are the muscles that get tired quickly. But what about the muscles that really keep you stable? The ones that protect your joints, help you stand tall, prevent falls, and give you that real strength. Walking. It barely touches them. And that's why so many older adults can walk every single day, yet still feel weak, unsteady, or slow when they move. Your body needs something deeper than just walking. It needs something that reaches the muscles that shrink the fastest after you turn 60. Something that teaches your joints how to stay aligned, your hips how to stay open, your spine how to stay tall, and your legs how to support you in every direction, not just forward. The good news is that you don't need a gym, you don't need any equipment, or even much space. 6 simple daily exercises can do this better than any long walk. These movements activate different layers of muscle. They improve your balance without you even realizing it, and they wake up your nervous system so your body reacts faster to everything you do. Before we begin the 6 exercises, I want you to check one thing for me. When you walk, does your body ever feel uneven? Does one leg feel heavier or one side of your hip feel tighter? Do you ever feel like you're leaning a little without even noticing? These are all small signs that your stabilizer muscles, those are the deeper, quieter muscles, have weakened over time. The 6 exercises I'm about to show you rebuild those stabilizers. They work so much deeper than walking because they train the parts of your body that walking just leaves behind. If you've ever gotten tired halfway through a walk, or felt some pressure in your knees, or worried that you might lose your balance on uneven ground, these movements are going to help you. They retrain your legs to lift properly, your hips to stay level, and your spine to stay supported. And they do all of this in just a matter of minutes each day. I want you to try these exercises in countdown order. Each one prepares your body for the next. By the time you get to number 1, your entire lower body is going to feel more alive, more supported, and more confident than it has felt in years. Before we start, I'd love for you to tell me something in the comments. Do your legs ever feel tired after a walk? And do you tend to feel more pain in your knees? Or is it more in your hips? I really want to know which of these exercises help you the most, so I can guide you personally. All right, let's begin. Number 6. The hip opening march. Most seniors don't realize this, but walking can actually tighten the front of your hips. When those hip flexors stay tight, they pull your pelvis forward. This is what makes your lower back hurt, makes your knees strain, and makes your stride get shorter every single year. The hip opening march reverses all of this. It switches on the deep hip stabilizers that keep you steady, whether you're walking or just standing. Scientists call these muscles the ilio-psoas group. You don't need to remember that name, but you should know why they matter. They help you lift your leg, stand up straight, and react quickly if you happen to trip. When these muscles get weak, your steps get slower. Listen to this. A study on senior health found that older adults with weak hip flexors were 4.3 times more likely to fall within a year. That's why strengthening these muscles every day can make more of a difference than a long walk ever will. Here's the simple way to do it. Stand next to a wall or the back of a steady chair. Lift one knee as if you're marching, but lift it slowly, with control, and keep your spine tall. Hold that knee up for 2 full seconds. Lower it gently. Now, switch sides. I want you to do 12 slow marches on each side. The key here is the timing. Lift slowly, hold for 2 seconds, and lower slowly. You should feel a warm, awake feeling right in the front of your hips. To make it even more effective, never lean back when you're lifting your knee. Keep your ribs right above your hips, and try to do this barefoot or in socks if you can. It helps your feet activate. If you feel your balance wobble a bit, that's completely normal. In fact, it's a good sign. That wobble is just your stabilizer muscles waking up. Do this every morning before you walk. Over a week, you'll notice your steps feel smoother and your hips feel more open. Number 5, the side leg strengthener. Walking is a forward and back movement. But as we get older, our body often ages sideways. When people fall, they rarely fall just forward. They fall to the side. That's why this exercise works so much better than walking for fall prevention. It strengthens the muscles on the side of your hips. You might have heard them called the gluteus medius. These are what control your side-to-side stability. If this muscle weakens, your legs can turn inward, your knees can start to hurt, and your balance becomes uncertain. Another study showed that strengthening this one muscle reduced fall risk in seniors by up to 45% in just 4 weeks. That's a huge change from just one simple daily motion. Here's how you do it. Stand tall. Hold a chair lightly for support if you need it. Now lift one leg out to the side. Don't swing it. Lift it slowly, only as high as your hip allows, while keeping your foot pointed straight forward. Hold it for 1 second at the top. Lower it with control. Repeat that 10 times. Then, switch legs. To make it even deeper, try to tighten your stomach gently while you lift your leg. This keeps your pelvis level. Just be sure you never tilt your body to the opposite side. That's cheating, and it reduces the effect. You'll probably feel this on the side of your hip. That's exactly where it should be working. After a week, you'll feel more control when you step off a curb, turn around, or reach for something. Number 4, the standing ankle pump. Your ankles are the secret engines of your balance. When they get stiff with age, your steps get heavier. Walking won't fix stiff ankles because walking uses the same range of motion over and over again. But this exercise restores flexibility and strengthens all the tiny muscles around your ankle joint. Those are the ones that stop you from rolling your foot or stumbling on uneven ground. Researchers studying senior health found that improving ankle strength can improve your balance by up to 28%. That's powerful for something that takes less than 2 minutes a day. Here's the movement. Stand behind a chair and hold it lightly. Slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising up onto your toes. Hold that for 2 seconds. Lower your heels all the way down, then immediately raise your toes upward, so you're leaning back on your heels. Hold for 1 second. This pumps blood all through your lower legs and strengthens the stabilizers on both sides of your ankle. Do 15 of these pumps. Move slowly. Never rush it. If you feel shaky, that's just those deeper muscles learning how to fire again. You're retraining your feet to respond quickly, and this is what helps prevent slips. After 2 weeks of doing this every day, you'll find stairs become easier and long walks feel lighter. Number 3, the reverse step back. Many seniors struggle when they have to step backward, but this movement is more important than people realize. Walking forward doesn't train your body to support your weight behind you. The reverse step back does, and it strengthens your glutes. Those are the largest muscles of your hips. They protect your lower back, improve your posture, and give your legs real power. A study in a physical medicine journal found that older adults who strengthened their glutes improved their walking speed by 18%, and it reduced their knee pain significantly. That's the kind of improvement you can feel immediately in your daily life. Here's what you do. Stand tall behind a chair if you need it. Step 1 foot back as far as you comfortably can while keeping your front knee soft. Press into that front leg just slightly to activate your hips. Hold for 1 second. Then, step back to the center. Alternate your legs for a total of 12 step backs. To make it even stronger, lightly squeeze your buttocks as you step back. This teaches your body to use the right muscles for support, instead of just relying on your knees. After a week, you'll notice your balance improving when you walk, especially on uneven surfaces. Number 2, the chair stand. This is one of the most powerful movements you can do at any age. Scientists sometimes call it the single best test for aging well. It measures how strong your legs truly are. Walking can't tell you that. Walking uses momentum. Chair stands use pure strength. A major study found that older adults who practiced chair stands every day improved their leg power by up to 31% within just 8 weeks. That is life-changing strength. Here's how to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Scoot to the edge of the seat. Now, fold your arms across your chest. Lean forward just a little and stand up, slowly. Try not to use your hands. Then, sit back down, just as slowly. That's 1 repetition. I want you to aim for 10 slow ones. If 10 is too much, just start with 5. If 10 feels easy, go for 15. The slowing down part is what really builds the strength. Never just drop back into the chair. Do this once in the morning and once in the evening. In 3 weeks, you will feel the difference every time you get up from bed or climb a set of stairs. Number 1. The core bracing step hold. This movement works so much better than walking because it trains the one system that walking never fixes, your core stability. Now, your core is not just your stomach. It's the deep belt of muscle that wraps all around your waist. It's what keeps your spine steady, your hips aligned, and your balance sharp. When this system gets weak, walking becomes tiring. You might start to shuffle more, and your steps get smaller, without you even noticing. A study on how we move found that core stability training improved walking efficiency in seniors by up to 23%. What that means is, your body uses less effort to walk the same distance. Here's the exact way to do it. Stand tall, with your feet about hip-width apart. Gently tighten your stomach, almost like you're bracing for a soft poke. Now lift one foot just an inch off the ground. Hold it there for 5 seconds. Keep your spine tall and your breath calm. Lower the foot. Switch sides. Try to do 8 holds on each side. The secret is that gentle brace. It's not a hard squeeze, just a soft tightening that supports your spine. If you wobble, I want you to silently reward yourself. That wobble is your nervous system learning to find its balance again. To deepen the effect, press the big toe of your standing foot softly into the floor. This activates your ankle and your hip at the same time. It gives you powerful, multi-level stability. Do this once a day. In a month, walking will feel lighter, safer, and more confident than it has in years. Your body is changing, but it's not just slowing down, it's adapting. These 6 daily exercises give your joints, muscles, and balance the kind of training that walking simply can't provide. Walking is good, but these movements, they reach deeper. They rebuild the strength that protects you, the stability that keeps you safe, and the power that lets you stay independent. Start with just 2 of these exercises today. Add the rest as you go through the week. And when you're ready, try them all in one gentle flow. Your body will tell you the difference. And if you want help choosing which exercises your body needs most, please tell me in the comments. Do your knees bother you more, or is it your hips? And do you feel more unsteady when you're standing still or when you're turning? Your answers help me guide you personally.